Today I would like to explain maximum power transfer theorem. This is also very important and very basic theorem in the electrical engineering, and this is nowadays it is applicable in the solar energy generation. So where we used uh, maximum power transfer theorem to get maximum power from solar panels. So according to the statement, maximum power transfer from theorem RL will abstract maximum power from network when internal resistance is equal to load resistance. So here we are considering simple circuit which is consisting of generated EMF, RL, load resistance and resistance of source, internal resistance of source, and this one is the resistance, series resistance. So here to get current value, the current passing through this circuit is equal to total EMF, total supply voltage by internal resistance of this circuit plus RL according to the Thevenin's load current. Power across the load PL is equal to I square into RL. That is, substitute this I value in here, we will get E square by Ri plus RL whole square into RL. So here E square RL by Ri plus RL whole square. To get maximum power across the load, differentiate PL with respect to variable resistance RL and equal to 0, then you will get maximum power condition. Here we are differentiating PL with respect to RL and equal to 0. So here you are getting, this is the condition of maximum power, or RL is equal to RA. So substitute in the this RA is equal to RL in this equation. So here this is the current value into RL value. So in place of RA, substitute RL. This is the RA plus RL. So in place of RA, we are substituting RL value. So finally it is E square by 4RL. The power delivered by the source is EI. So here you will get E square by 2RL. So once if we calculate efficiency, that is output power by input power, here we will get half, that is only 50%. This is very important question for GATE or competitive examination. So this is the simple theorem and the important theorem, and also you will get most of the time you will get in the external examination this theorem. So we will observe a simple circuit here. Calculate the value of RL which will abstract maximum power from a circuit. Also find the maximum power. So here this is RL here. Two sources are there. First we have to calculate what is the internal resistance of the circuit. For this one, this step is similar to the Thevenin's resistance or Norton's resistance. Short circuit the sources here. Circuiting the sources and observing from the load terminals, open circuited load terminals. So once if you open this one, so RA is equal to 10 ohm. So RL is equal to 10 ohm here. Why? Because here these two are in parallel, you will get 0, and this is in series here. So this one is only 10 ohm. So current is equal to 20 by 5 into 10 plus 10 by total resistance is equal to 1 ampere, 1 amp. So finally you have to calculate what is the maximum power across the load, that is I square into RL. current value is 1 and the RL value is 10. So finally the power is 10 watts. We'll see one more problem. Here also very simple. Observe amount of maximum power. So here we have two current sources and also voltage sources. For calculating of RI, short circuit voltage source and opening the current source. And also we have to open the RL value and observe from open circuit terminals. So once it is open, these two are in parallel. So this is the internal resistance of the circuit, that is 0.667 ohm. So to get the total current here, 10 by supply voltage by 1 plus this internal resistance into 2 by these two are in parallel. So the total current is 5.5. But here the question is maximum power. So I square into RL. I square into, so this is here, this is wrong, RL. So finally the power is 20 watts. So we'll see one more problem. Here also very simple problem. So to get RA value, so here maximum power across the load. So here we have to open the current source value and short the supply voltage and also opening the load value, observe the from the open circuit terminal. So total resistance is, these two are in series now, so that's why it is 6. So RA is equal to RL. So according to the maximum power, it is RL is equal to RA. To get the current, so here 10 volts by 6 plus 5 plus 1 A to B. So here we have to calculate A to B. So the amount of current is equal to minus 1.25. But here the question is maximum power. So I square into RL. So 9.375. Thank you. So if you have any problems, please discuss. Please give the your questions. I'll clarify your